the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
There will be messes. There will be parties. There will be pet hair. And the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum will be there to clean it up. Our 2-in-1 cordless easily goes from a stick to a handheld and helps you power through your cleaning with strong suction. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum, where portable meets affordable. Available at your favorite stores.
Selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector, rewind selector.
Do you see this disaster zone I call my living room floor? I used to procrastinate till the weekend to lug out my big, bulky corded vacuum to take care of messes like this. That's changed forever thanks to my newest cordless companion, the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve. That's right, cordless. Removable, rechargeable battery and all. It has enough power to play with the big boys thanks to its super strong suction that gets up all the deeply embedded dirt and pet hair that my family leaves behind. Big power, big capacity, but it weighs just under 9 pounds. The only other thing that's so compact yet powerful is my toddler's will to stay awake at nap time. Carpets, hard floors, doesn't matter where I take this thing. I get results I can see in seconds thanks to this quick pass brush roll. My favorite part? Watch this. Totally freestanding. Something even the most expensive cordless vacuums can't do. And just like that, my weekends can be reserved for something way more fun than vacuuming.
The Hoover Evolve Pen, the cordless stick vacuum that stands up to uprights.
Time
Dyson's latest vacuum is the only one to use a laser. It's precisely angled to reveal invisible dust. The slim, fluffy cleaner head's anti-static carbon fiber filaments pick up those microscopic particles. Suction is increased when needed, thanks to this special sensor, which counts each size and gives you scientific proof. It also comes with Dyson's pioneering technology, a high-torque cleaner head that automatically adjusts across different floors and dust amounts. 14 redesigned cyclones to maintain no loss of suction, the power of this hyperdymium motor, and 5-stage filtration capturing 99.99% of dust. For the most powerful, deep clean, all around your home. Buy direct from the people who made it. Free delivery from Dyson.